Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Josh O'Connor. The fourth series of The Crown, which debuted over the weekend, chronicles the time between 1977 and 1990, covering Margaret Thatcher's premiership and Princess Diana's wedding to Prince Charles. Emma Corrin stars as Lady Diana Spencer opposite Josh O'Connor, who portrays Prince Charles.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Foy was replaced by Olivia Colman for seasons 3 and 4 of The Crown as the entire cast changed over to reflect the aging of the characters as they moved into a different period in history. Revealing her reaction to landing the part, Colman disclosed, "I was incredibly uncool about it.
Take our lead."
Princess Diana makes her first appearance in Season 4 of The Crown. Season 4 of Netflix's The Crown dramatizes the royals' awful treatment of Diana Spencer in her marriage with Prince Charles, with Gillian Anderson in a masterful turn as Margaret Thatcher.
Take our lead.
As new characters appear in each season of The Crown, so do new actors. And the one person everyone is talking about in anticipation of the fourth series is Emma Corrin as Princess Diana. Corrin, 24, has only had a handful of on-screen parts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.